In this lecture, we will see what are the advantages of non-inverting amplifier over inverting amplifier. What is an amplifier? So amplifier is a device that amplifies the signal. It may be voltage, it may be current, or it may be power. Okay, so amplifier may be a voltage amplifier, current amplifier, or power amplifier. So in case of voltage amplifier, input will be input voltage V in and output voltage V naught. Okay, and this is a voltage amplifier. So in case of non-inverting amplifier, the gain of amplifier is always greater than 1. How? We will see. This is an op-amp. Here is negative feedback. This is resistance R1. This is feedback resistance. It is known as RF. And positive is grounded. No, input voltage applied at positive. That's why it is known as non-inverting amplifier. Now apply the virtual ground concept. Using virtual ground, we say this is a voltage V negative and this is a voltage V positive, and according to virtual ground, V positive must be equal to V negative, because these voltages are shorted. As we know, open loop gain of the op-amp must be infinite. And how it comes? When input voltage must be 0, and here input is V positive minus V negative. If input is 0, then V positive is equal to V negative, and this is known as virtual ground concept, and it is applicable only for ideal operational amplifier. And sometimes we see in the textbooks infinity, and infinity is indicated open loop gain. Now this is branch number 1 and this is branch number 2. If let this is X, apply KCL at node X, I1 incoming current is equal to outgoing current. So incoming current is I1 and outgoing current is I2. So current starts from ground and terminated at V negative, and this is X. So 0 minus starting voltage minus terminating voltage, let this is Vx voltage upon R1 is equal to Vx starting voltage minus V naught upon Rf. So after solving, we get V naught is equal to 1 plus Rf upon R1. So here gain is output upon input. Gain is the ratio of output to the input, 1 plus Rf upon R1. And in every condition, either Rf is greater than R1 or Rf is less than R1, G is always greater than 1. It means non-inverting amplifier. It means non-inverting amplifier always amplifies signal at every condition. Either RF is greater than R1 or RF less than R1. Now we will see inverting amplifier. In case of inverting amplifier, let's first draw inverting amplifier. In case of inverting amplifier, this is a inverting amplifier. Now voltage is given to negative terminal bache. So R1 and this is RF and this is output and positive is grounded. Now according to virtual ground, this is voltage 0, this is V positive and this is V negative. Okay, V positive must be equal to V negative according to virtual ground. According to virtual ground concept. So can we see the voltage at V positive? Yes, the voltage of V positive is 0 volt because it is grounded. So V negative voltage is grounded 0 volt. Now this is branch number 1 and this is branch number 2. Okay, so KCL at node Y, KCL at node Y, I3 is equal to I4. So V in minus 0 upon R1 is equal to 0 minus V naught upon RF. So now gain becomes V naught upon V in, and now this is minus RF upon R1. Negative sign indicates this is a inverting configuration. This is a inverting configuration, and this factor, it means if G is greater than 1, RF must be greater than R1, and for amplification G must be greater than 1. So in case of inverting amplifier, this is a necessary condition that RF must be greater than R1 for amplification. Thank you.